Hey there, food lovers! Ready to embark on a culinary adventure through the Middle East? Whether you're a fan of savory, sweet, or something in between, I've got you covered with 30 must-try Middle Eastern dishes. First up, we have falafel. These crispy, deep-fried balls of chickpea goodness are perfect in a pita or as a snack on their own. Next, hummus. Creamy, dreamy, and oh so versatile, it's a staple at any gathering. Then there's shawarma, juicy marinated meat, often served in a wrap or on a plate with all the fixings. Zesty and filling, it's a street food favorite. Moving on to something lighter, we have tabbouleh. This refreshing parsley and bulgur salad is a burst of freshness in every bite. And of course, baba ghanoush, a smoky eggplant dip that's simply irresistible. Let's not forget about kibbeh. These deep-fried bulgur and meat croquettes are crunchy on the outside and tender inside. Pair them with labneh, a tangy strained yogurt that's perfect for dipping. Now, for the meat lovers, we have kofta. These spice meatballs are grilled to perfection. And who could resist a plate of mansaf? This Jordanian dish of lamb cooked in a fermented yogurt sauce is a feast for the senses. Heading to desserts, baklava is a must. Layers of flaky pastry, nuts, and honey syrup. It's a sweet treat you won't forget. Then there's kanafa, a warm, cheesy pastry soaked in sweet syrup. Simply divine. For a drink, try Turkish coffee. Strong, rich, and often spiced with cardamom, it's an experience in a cup. And for something refreshing, there's ayran, a chilled yogurt drink that's perfect for hot days. Now, back to savory delights. Try sfiha, open-faced meat pies that are a flavor explosion. Or mujadara, a comforting dish of lentils, rice, and caramelized onions. Don't miss out on dolma, grape leaves stuffed with rice and herbs. And finally, me'amul, delicate cookies filled with dates or nuts, a perfect way to end the meal. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into 10 additional Middle Eastern delights. Manakish, a popular flatbread topped with za'atar, cheese, or meat. Fatayr, savory pastries filled with spinach, cheese, or meat. Muhammara, a spicy red pepper and walnut dip that's bursting with flavor. Shakshuka, poached eggs in a spicy tomato sauce, perfect for breakfast or brunch. Mudabal, a creamy eggplant dip similar to baba ganoush, but with a unique twist. Frika, a roasted green wheat salad that's both nutritious and delicious. Samak hara, a spicy fish dish from Lebanon that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Makdous, oil-cured eggplants stuffed with walnuts and red pepper. Katiyef, stuffed pancakes typically enjoyed during Ramadan. And basbousa, a sweet semolina cake soaked in syrup. So, there you have it, 30 Middle Eastern dishes you simply can't miss. Bon appetit!